Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the download location for downloads in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Access the Waterfox web browser and click into these three lines in the top right, navigate to settings. Inside your browser settings, head over to general. And here you'll need to scroll all the way down till you get to the downloads section. So let me find it really quickly. Where is it? Let me find it really quickly. There you go, files and applications. So here under downloads, you may simply click into browse and after that select the folder on your device so that files you download via Waterfox may be saved in that folder. And that's it, guys. You may also enable this option. Always ask you where to save files so that Waterfox asks you for a download file location for each for each single download, but that's totally up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.